Understanding Emotionally Unstable, a guide for English learners. Hello and welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very important phrase in the English language, emotionally unstable. Understanding this phrase is crucial not only for your language learning journey but also for navigating daily conversations and emotional expressions more effectively. Let's explore what it means, how it's used, and why it's important to recognize this state in ourselves and others. Emotionally unstable refers to a state or condition where an individual experiences rapid and unpredictable changes in their emotions. This can include sudden mood swings, intense emotions that seem disproportionate to the situation, or difficulty in managing one's emotional responses. It's important to understand that being emotionally unstable doesn't just mean feeling sad or upset. It involves a broader spectrum of emotional experiences that are hard to predict and control. To better understand this concept, let's look at some examples. A person might feel extremely happy and energetic one moment, and then suddenly feel deeply sad or irritable without a clear reason. Someone could overreact to minor inconveniences or comments, experiencing intense anger or distress out of proportion to the situation. An individual may struggle to maintain stable relationships due to their unpredictable emotional responses. Recognizing these patterns is key to understanding what it means to be emotionally unstable. Several factors can contribute to emotional instability, including stress, mental health disorders, such as bipolar disorder or borderline personality disorder, lack of sleep, and substance abuse. It's crucial to approach this topic with empathy and understanding, recognizing that emotional instability is often a sign that someone needs support or help. Managing emotional instability involves several strategies, including seeking professional help, developing coping mechanisms, such as mindfulness or stress management techniques, and building a strong support network. Learning about emotional regulation and self-care practices can also be incredibly beneficial for individuals experiencing emotional instability. We hope this video has shed some light on the meaning and implications of being emotionally unstable. Remember, it's important to approach this topic with kindness and compassion, both towards yourself and others. If you or someone you know is struggling with emotional instability, reaching out for professional help can be a crucial step towards stability and well-being. Thank you for watching, and take care.